Hello students, today we are going to create a Valentine using a Google app called Google Drawings. I will show you how we are going to do that. You will open up a new tab and I would like you to go to your Drive, click on Drive, go to New, and you'll need to go to the More function and click on Google Drawings. Google Drawings is a Google product, so everything you will do will save in your app. Next, I would like you to put the term or write in the word Valentine. Okay, that's the title of our document. We are going to create a Valentine today, and you can create it however you would like. It needs to be school appropriate. We are going to use word art for our words, so we go to Insert, Word Art, and I will write Happy Valentine Day. When we do this, make sure that you put an apostrophe S for Valentine's Day. Then I will select Return once I've typed in the word. I would like to add some color, and I will go in and change my font. Oh, that one made it bigger, so I will bring it back and adjust it to fit on the top of the page. Then we want to add some shapes and different things of interest. You can go up to Shapes, or you can go to Insert Shapes. You choose. Insert Shapes, and I want to add a heart. So I will draw my heart. It automatically makes it blue. I could fill it with another color. I can turn it. Maybe I want to make those Valentine's hearts like those little candies. So I could add another heart. I could add a smiley face. I could add an arrow. I could add something that is school appropriate and would fit with our theme, whatever you decide to create. I had one student create the Olympic rings, all using hearts for her Valentine. Then if I want to insert some words, you could insert a text box, but I think that's harder to work with. I like to insert word art, and I'll say, be mine. Oh, that's really big. So I'm going to change the color and size it down. Again, when I want to turn it, I can adjust it that way and make it fit inside my heart. Maybe you want to just copy and paste, turn it, fill it with a different color. You have many options of what you can do to make it something that you would like. And because we're creating this in Google, it saves automatically. Somebody asked me how you add a background, and I said, good question. The way I add a background is I add a shape once I've made it, and oh no, it covers everything. That's not going to work. So I'm going to change the color. Maybe I'll make, ooh, that's too bright. I will change the color, let's say, to this yellow. I don't know. And we have an arrange feature that says order. I want to send it to the back. That way it sends it all the way to the back, and it's like in layers, and my words and hearts are in front. I really don't like this color, so I'm going to see, ooh, that kind of hurts your eyes. Maybe I'll choose a color blue or something like that. So that is how you add a background. So go ahead, make a Valentine, and it will save automatically. If I close it and go into my Drive, go to the waffle, I go to Recent, and here is my latest Valentine. I look forward to seeing what you can create. Thank you.